What's up, everybody? Okay, look, I'm gonna make you guys' lives real simple right now, alright? So, these seats don't fall back. This is a 2010 or 9 or something like that, Toyota Camry. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your rear 6x9s in this car real quick, and it won't be confusing, alright? So, what you're gonna need though is one of these, alright? A size 10mm ratchet and socket, or a Phillips screwdriver, because the bolt is a Phillips or size 10. But okay, so this cover right here, there's a plastic cover that goes over here. You just pop, remove it, do it to both sides, and then what you're gonna do is take your headrest, take all three of them out, Yo, changing the 6x9 right here.
What did you do with it?
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. Then you take this cover off, and then you're able to pull it down right there, all right? And then right here, the 6x9 has 4 bolts that are size 10. Just take them out, unplug it. The plug is right there, that little white plug. Unplug it right there, take it out, and then take your new 6x9. Yeah, so you take your stock 6x9. This is just one I had laying around, so make it work. All right, guys.